Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. We're going to be talking about everything, but the structure of this video is a little bit different, and I did that for a particular reason. What we'll do is we'll mainly focus on the technicals, and then we'll kind of blend in all of the fundamentals. And the reason why I'm doing that is because right now there's so many fundamentals, especially around the economics of the world and the banking sectors with Credit Suisse in Europe, and now these type of things that the Federal Reserve, ECB, and other central banks in Switzerland, in Canada, and in Great Britain take coordinated steps to boost dollar liquidity. There's just there seems to be a lot happening economically. I'm trying to research it all and stay up to date on that, but it's hard to really get that into the videos. So I have it in my head. I have it in my analysis in that we're going to be talking about as well, but in terms of this video, we'll focus more on the technicals, and then I'll kind of blend in the economic circumstances. And obviously, we also have to talk about the interest rate decision, which is later this week, which is very important, and we need to talk about that. All right, but let's get right into it. If you do, apart from that, before we start, if you want to receive daily trading signals, and if you want to see trade results, for example, check out the links in either the trade results from the Signal group. Check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find the instructions on how to join. All right, now let's take a look at Ethereum. So in yesterday evening, we were quite bullish. We reached up to our previous resistance around 1820. Got some sort of a double top. Who knows what will happen, but all right. Drop down to this 236 FIB, also with the 28 EMA and just the previous top of the Thursday, 16th of February, strong support. But now you can see that we're dropping. To be honest, at this point of time, we're just moving a lot with the dollar strength index. Dollar strength index is a bit bullish. Will probably continue to be bullish up until 104.2. So with Ethereum, I also expect that will kind of drop back down to our main support level between 1760 and 1740. Now the big question then is can we remain bullish like this? And can we, if we stay bullish like this with Ethereum, at some point of time we'll break above 1820 and get up to that level around 1900. The question though is can we stay bullish like that? Can we hold 1740, or is it more likely that we'll drop? And nobody knows. All right, that's the answer that no crypto YouTuber wants to give, but in the end, nobody knows. The circumstances are too difficult to really interpret. I think you can find a million reasons for why we would go up like this. You can also find a million reasons why we would drop down. So it's just going to depend. I would argue that if we look at technical structure of the market, we're between 1740 and 1820. If the dollar strength index, which is dollar strength index really is a great indicator of the economic circumstances now, because if the dollar really becomes stronger like this, we'll probably find resistance at 104.2, but if we are able to break above that and rally up to 105 again, then Ethereum is probably going to drop down below this main support around 1740, drop down to 1710, take a break retest, and drop down to at least 1675. If the dollar strength index continues its downtrend from this level here at 104.2, like this, then that's bullish for crypto. If it drops down to 103, Ethereum is probably able to break above, it's probably able to break above 1820. And now the final judgment, if I would have to say which one is more likely, I would go with the bullish breakout. There seems to be an exceptionally amount of bullish momentum for crypto, and I think there are more reasons than only the economic circumstances to why that is. In the end, it's also fundamentally bullish for crypto, and it's a huge argument in favor of crypto that the banks are struggling like this. Things like that, I think, are also still playing their part, and that's why I think the bullish breakout is a bit more likely. But as I said, circumstances are tough. I'll keep you updated, but for now, this is my take on Ethereum. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.